Janata Party, and the third is with neither of these, which is with Nitish Kumar. But after Nitish Kumar, which way will these streams go? This is a question emerging in Bihar politics, and to bring this stream in its favor, Tejasvi Yadav is once again seen showing his diplomatic intelligence, but now the Bharatiya Janata Party will definitely give such statements on occasion that even the big supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party will be offended. Then one thing is also correct that 80 years ago there was Jangal Raj and Nitish Kumar got right of that Jangal Raj, but this does not mean that now after 80 years the skills of Jangal Raj should be presented again. The way incidents are happening in Bihar is not a matter of concern. This cannot be denied. Attacks on Bihar police, incidents with party leaders when administrative and political people are not safe, then it is natural for panic to arise among the common people when the government is aware of this and it's taking concrete steps. But there is nothing wrong in saying and thinking that the fear of administration is ending in the minds of criminals. But now, if the one who attacks the Rashtriya Janata Dal is not a common leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar gives such statements, then what else can you call it if not ominous? All the laws in the country are made for the protection of every individual. The Constitution guarantees the safety of every individual, and if you listen to the statements of the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, who calls Tejasvi Yadav a fool, then the ground will be pulled from under your feet. Then you will think whether it is right to make him the CM. That means Samrat Chaudhary does not know who to give his statements, even thought he is on the post of Deputy Chief Minister. He makes her blunt. In this also, illiterate Tejasvi Yadav outage Modi. If the statements of educated Bharatiya Janata Dal leaders are exaggerated, then even an illiterate portion of Bihar will consider them as fake. Samrat Chaudhary has said that family murder is not a crime, it is a family matter. Chaudhary has said that Samrat Chaudhary has said that family murder is not a crime, it is a family matter. I mean, imagine if someone has lost his life and it is a normal thing, it is not an incident, it is not a crime. Then if a husband kills his wife and a wife kills her husband, it is not a crime. There will be no punishment. If a brother kills his brother, it is his family matter. If an incident happens between a lover and his girlfriend, it is a personal matter. If we look a little deeper, then hardly a stranger commits an incident. Behind every incident, we will definitely find a face that is cruel. Samrat Chaudhary has clearly said that if a murder has happened in someone's family dispute, it is their family issue, it is not a crime. The rest of the police is taking action against the criminals, and the police will do the work of beating the person who shows a gun. On the other hand, Bihar's Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha called Tejasvi a Twitter boy and said that if the government does not take action against them, then you raise question. He said that it is said that the incidents happen in such a big state, but not taking action on that incident, it's a crime.